With coronavirus cases rising in Washington, the state is adding back restrictions. As part of the state's roadmap to recovery plan, Cowlitz, Pierce, and Whitman counties moved from Phase 3 back to Phase 2. 3 weeks later, it's time for another assessment. The public health director thinks Clark County will not revert to Phase 2.
We should meet the metric for hospital admissions, and we're below 5 per 100,000 over 7 days. So I believe, to the best of my knowledge, we will stay in Phase 3.
The state is looking at two metrics, but counties need only meet one of them to remain in the less restrictive Phase 3. First, they're looking at new cases over a 14-day period. Anything over 200 per 100,000 is a fail, and Clark County is failing at 239. But as Dr. Melnick said, its new hospitalization rate is below 5 at 3.4. The stakes are high. At Phase 3, counties can allow 50% indoor occupancy in restaurants and other businesses, up to 10 people gathered indoors, and 50 outdoors. But at Phase 2, indoor occupancy drops down to 25% for all those businesses. Indoor gatherings drops to 5 people, and outdoors to just 15. Clark County could revert to Phase 2 next time if it's not careful.
The message for the public is we're not out of this yet, and we need people to do a couple of things. One is avoid those gatherings, wear masks and physically distance when you're out in public, and get vaccinated.
Now to schools, which are welcoming more kids back. At Vancouver Public Schools, kindergarten through third grade students are going from 2 to 4 days in class starting this week, with older grades to come. Dr. Melnick sees schools following health safety rules, and it's working.
I think the schools have been doing a great job. I mean, they've been following the guidelines. We've seen very little transmission in schools.
As for vaccine in Southwest Washington, there's more supply than demand, a huge change from not long ago. Melnick says this to anyone wavering on getting vaccinated.
We need to think about getting the numbers down and getting the number of cases down. And the more people who get vaccinated, the less transmission there will be.
And what about Cowlitz County, now stuck in Phase 2? Well, that is not likely to change. Their case numbers are still too high. And one other note, if you've got friends that are traveling up into the Seattle area, well, both King and Snohomish counties are very likely to revert to Phase 2 on Tuesday. In Southwest Washington, Tim Gordon, KGW News.